adventures begin. We went salmon fishing. Actually, we went to the grocery store to pick this up. But this recipe is so delicious. And this is simple cooking, made simple, here on YouTube. And I'm the Carolina Chef. And we played in the kitchen today and made this awesome recipe that is so good. Make sure that you're smashing that like button and tell all your family and friends about this recipe, because this is good anytime. Summer, winter, fall. What's the other one? Spring. Yeah, spring. Anytime you want to make this, you want a salmon recipe, you want to make this recipe. So make sure you share it. Smash that like button. And then also, we started our kitchen talks. The first video will be out Monday, January the 15th. Make sure you check that out. Click this little link up here to my left, and it will take you right to that video. And we're showing you how to take this skin off if you don't want the skin on this. So make sure that you stick around for this full video and let the adventures begin. Let the adventure begin. So first you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then I have a sheet pan that is wrapped with foil. I put down parchment paper. I have some lemons sitting here. And then we're going to put our salmon on top of the lemons. Just like so, where the lemons kind of come out. And if the lemon sticks out a little too far, you can push those in a little bit, kind of like this. And then we're going to salt and pepper these. And then we got 6 tablespoons of butter. We have a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped green onion. Teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Teaspoon of fresh chopped thyme. And then you can use either, depending on how much you like garlic, you can either do 1 or 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Dump that in there. Make sure we get all this out, because we want that flavor from the garlic. And then we're going to add a nice little secret ingredient. A lot of people use honey, but I found this hot honey, and it is infused with chili peppers. So it's going to give it a nice little bite to it. We're going to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the honey. Just going to drizzle it in there. That might have been a little bit more, but hey, honey and a little heat with it, so good. So you just want to mix this up. And then we're going to take and just pour this on top of our salmon. And we're just going to top it like that, because once it starts cooking, it's going to come down. All these flavors are going to work nicely together. And then we're going to top this with parchment paper and then foil. So it's going to act kind of almost like a little bit of a steamer. So we're going to put this in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes. And then we'll take it out, put it in under a broiler for about 5 minutes. Boy, our salmon is out. Woo, that's a little hot. Little hot. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That looks so good. And it smells wonderful too. So we're going to take a spoon and just drizzle some of that juice on top of here, like so, before you serve it. And I would serve it with the juice. Like I would put it on a plate, or when you're getting it, and just put some more of this juice on there. Oh, it's going to be so good. And then we're going to take some fresh parsley that I chopped earlier and just sprinkle that on top. Man, I cannot wait to dig in. I have not ate since lunch today, and it's about 10 o'clock here. Man, it's going to be so good. So good. So we hope you guys have enjoyed this easy, simple salmon recipe that will make your taste buds do a little dance. You know what I'm saying? This stuff is awesome. It is good. It's got a little heat from that honey. You got the juice. You got the fresh herbs. A little butter. So good. So make sure you guys check out the description below. You'll find out all the details for this recipe. This is the bomb. You know what I'm saying? I probably said a little too much. We hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you do the 4 S's. Smash that like button. Subscribe. Share with your family and friends. And set that notifications. Have a great day. God bless.